everyone, welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. In today's video, it is the reintroduction of the return of our fabric bundles for bag making. I'm very excited for this. I have spent the entire week putting together fabric bundles that consist of either 2, 3, or 4 different fabric combinations that all coordinate together beautifully. I've taken photographs of those and created listings for our website so you could shop each of the bundles. Within each of the product listings, I've also added the zipper tape, the thread, and the hardware finish recommendations for each bundle. So I've made shopping easy for you. In the video, I will show you in a moment one of the product descriptions where I walk you through that. So that way you know how to add all the items to your shopping cart. When we offered our fabric bundles in the past, we had many of them selling out within the first 24 to 48 hours. The bundles are available in limited quantities. So if you see a bundle that you like, I recommend that you snag it right away before it's sold out. So let's quickly look at a product listing so I can walk you through the matchmakers on each of the fabric bundles. Go to sewyours.com, click on fabrics, then fabric bundles on the left. Here are the 26 bundles that I've set up for you. We've got an array of colors, textures, and prints. I tried to do a little bit of everything for everyone's taste. At the bottom here, we have the fabric bundles with our cotton canvas, which are limited availability, and once the cotton canvases are sold out, they will not be restocked. Let's use the Marble Dreams bundle as an example here. We're going to click into that, and on the left, you'll have the options to look at the bundle pictures or the products by themselves. So the Marble Dreams, the Magenta Saddle Soft, and the liner text in the lavender color. On the right here, you can see more by expanding the view. And here I have linked the individual products. So if you need to add an additional roll of any of these, you can add those by clicking on the hyperlink here. Likewise, you can get further information on the products by clicking on the hyperlink. I've also listed here the best use, so whether it be a feature fabric, an accent fabric, or a lining fabric, these are just my recommendations. So I'll click into the Marble Dreams and show you here where you can see more about the care instructions, the thickness of the fabrics, the textures, and so forth. If I've done a video on it, there will also be a little video linked there that you can see the fabric a little bit closer. Here is the matchmaker section. So here is where I have recommended our number 5 zipper tape in the color Jam. So you can add that to your shopping cart right here. Then just click your back button to go back to the original bundle listing. And there you will also see where I have matched up our thread. So recommending our Text 45 or Text 70 thread in the color Cranberry. And yes, the Cranberry does look great with the magenta. And lastly, here is my hardware finish recommendations for this bundle. Nickel, light gold, and rainbow. So you can shop all of the hardware, whether it be 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch, or 1 1/2 inch, as well as our specialty hardware from this link. Shop all of our fabric bag making bundles on our website at sewyours.com. I will also put a link in the description box below. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and I will see you in next week's Matchmaker Monday video.